So we are in Granger Bay, approaching Beach Road. We're gonna roll left towards the waterfront in Cape Town along the M6, and if you went right there, that would take you towards Greenpoint, Woody Point, and towards Sea Point. On a gloomy Sunday morning in August 2024. So here's your entrance to the waterfront, Granger Bay Boulevard. We're gonna roll away and head towards Helen Suzman Boulevard. We're gonna take a drive from here back towards the southern suburbs. Fort Wynyard. We've got the Cape Town Stadium just on our right hand side. Okay, onto the M6. Helen Suzman Boulevard. It's going to take us around the foreshore part of Cape Town, back onto the M3. That's going to take us all the way towards the southern suburbs. Another weather front approaching Cape Town. Rain expected a bit later on this morning. A gloomy Sunday morning. If you enjoy these videos, please subscribe to the channel, like and share the videos, and even hit that notification bell just to help the channel grow. It's about 8 a.m. in Cape Town. Branch off the left, yeah, and this takes us towards the N2. But we're gonna branch off along the N3 just before the N2 branches off. And now we're on the foreshore. So Table Bay Harbour is just on our left-hand side, not far away. So we got the N1 emerging away, and the N2 that we're going to keep on going until we come to the M3. Now this is a foreshore. N1 will take you towards Paarl, Bellville. N2 takes you towards Somerset West and towards Cape Town International Airport. Low cloud, you can't see Devil's Peak or Table Mountain. Facing the Good Hope Centre. we got District 6 on our right hand side, across the now Nelson Mandela Boulevard. And Woodstock on our left hand side. Got the Seoul Street off ramp, takes you into Upper Woodstock. And into Zonnebloem. The Melbourne Road, Walmer Estate, off ramp takes you into Woodstock. Rudderblom Road into University Estate, Woodstock. Browning Road that takes you into Grooterschuur Hospital. So here's where we branch off from the N2 along the M3. So this lane is the M3 only, and that's going to take us towards the Muizenberg. At the Hospital Hill interchange, where the N2 and the M3 merge and branch away. I've got Grooterschuur Hospital just on our left hand side. Yeah, it's where the M3 and the N2 part. So this is the top half of Rosebank on our left hand side, and the slopes of Devil's Peak on our right hand side. I take a left turn now, it takes you onto Rhodes Avenue, that will take you down to the M4 and give you access to Mowbray and Rosebank as we go past Mostard's Mill. And yeah, we had the Woolsack Drive and University of Cape Town off ramp. Woolsack Drive takes you to Rosebank and to the M4. Otherwise, you can get access to the University of Cape Town. And here we have the Princess Anne Avenue the M146 that takes you into Rondebosch. And you can also get access to Rose Memorial. Newlands now on our left hand side. And now we're approaching the M63. If you go left, it takes you along Newlands Avenue, and if you go right, it takes you along Rhodes Avenue. That gives you access to Kirstenbosch Gardens, and eventually it takes you to Constantia Neck and gives you access down towards Hut Bay. Paradise Hill Road, part of the M3. We branch off here, takes you on the M33 to Claremont. Bishop's Court on the right hand side and Upper Claremont on the left hand side. Take a right turn here, takes you Bishop's Court Road into Bishop's Court. Take a left turn, Struban Road, takes you into Claremont, Upper Claremont, and eventually gives you access down towards Wynberg and the M4. Sidmouth Road, and this is Edinburgh Drive. Upper Torquay Avenue takes you into Bishop's Court. Now we're approaching the M155, the Travato link. That takes you to Wynberg. Another rainy day in Cape Town. Had so much rain in Cape Town this winter. Almost the entire July and August. just looking forward to September when the weather starts to change. There we get a glimpse of the South Peninsula. And yeah, we had the Constantia Road off-ramp. Gives you access to the M41 Constantia Main Road. If you go right, it'll take you towards Hut Bay through Constantia. If you go left, it's going to give you access to Plumstead and to Weinberg. Approaching the M38 Kendall Road. That gives you access to Meadow-Ridge and also into Constantia. We're going to branch off on the M39 Ladies Mile. Gives you access to Bergfleet, Meadow-Ridge and Constantia. Okay, so we're going to roll down Ladies Mile. We've got Meadow-Ridge on our left-hand side and Krepelbos on our right-hand side. The M39 East. At the Fir Grove Road circle, that gives you access to Constantia and also into Bergfleet. Past Bergfleet High School on our left hand side and Sweet Valley Primary School on our right hand side. pass Granger Road that takes you into Bergfried towards the Park and shopping centre. Glen Alpine on our right hand side. Choron's Way. And here we are at the M4, the main road. Go left, takes you towards Weinberg. Go right, takes you towards Musenberg and into the deep South Peninsula. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And let's go explore Cape Town some more.